What's up, guys? Today we're actually doing a off-road outlaws build. I've already built it. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. And I gotta you should go subscribe to Ethan Slusher, capital E, capital S. It's gonna have a flag as the picture. It's right now. It's a picture of me right now in my pajamas, I think. But yeah, it's gonna be a picture of me or a flag. Ethan Slusher, and here's the four-wheeler. Let me show you the wheelie on it really quick. It's actually not the best wheelie, but we're gonna show you it. What am I kidding? I swear it does very good. I don't know what's wrong. It depends on how you it depends how you build it. Depends how you shift it and all that. So, what you need is to come to upgrades. You have engine power all the way up, turbo all the way up, and it needs to be stick shift. It needs to have a gearbox. Now, to have that, you come here, you come to tune suspension, maxed out, stage 5, travel all the way up, stiffness all the way up, access width all the way up. Now in the back, same thing, travel all the way up, stiffness all the way up, but the access width is a little different. It's on 14 on the dot. Now you come to tires. The wheel width is on the 2 dots on 1.4. The wheel radius is all the way up. Rim size, you can do whatever. It doesn't really matter. I have it all the way up. Same thing in the back, just like I said. Oh goodness, rim doesn't really matter. Do whatever. It doesn't matter about anything else. But that is really it, guys. I can show you all my vehicles. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, the bell, turn on the bell, turn on post notifications. Yeah, do all that good stuff. Okay, got this four-wheeler, the Willian one. Now, then we have this truck. We got this. I actually have a video out right now that I posted yesterday on how to build it. Got my gooseneck. Got my little race car. Got my tow truck. This is the truck, my GMC that's towing all my vehicles. Yeah. And I got this other four-wheeler. I'm not sure if it wheelies. Got this monster truck. It's kind of off of a YouTuber's truck. I couldn't really build it. This I was still working on. She's really not done yet. But yeah. Got this bad boy. I was just bored. Put it together. Then we got my little racing truck. Then we got this other truck that's a pull truck. Then we got this monster truck that I tried building. Well, other than that, guys, that is basically everything for today's video. I might post a roleplay video here soon. If you want to know the map that it's going to be on, it's going to be Twin River Lake. Twin River Lake, if you want to go check that out. Yeah, let me set up my character really quick. Put that out of my shirt. Come down here in my pants. Then black pants. No, I'm gonna keep it with no hat. Definitely getting this mask. Can't get no glasses. If I could, I would go with this brown hat, but I gotta be a member. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna just stay with no hat. This is my gun that I'm using right now. But, got this gun and this gun. I was also thinking about buying this gun. I'm really not sure though. 30,000, can you believe it? With that regular wood. Well guys, that is it for today's video. And I will see you next time.